to my witch's lair. I hope you're having a wonderful Halloween. I am, and I've got a fantastic story to share with you today. It's called The Witch's Cat and the Trouble with Tidying Up. I don't know about you, but I really don't like tidying up, and I definitely have to use magic. This book is written by Kirstie Watson. If you'd like a copy of this book, have a look in the description below. But let's get started with this wonderful spooky edition of Fireplace Stories. I do love a good spring clean, don't you, Cat? The lovely witch said one morning. The witch's cat pretended he hadn't heard because he did not like cleaning up. It's okay, Cat. I finished the cleaning. You just need to tidy up your things, the lovely witch said. You can do it while I pop out, but remember, no magic potions and stay away from the broomstick. The witch's cat wasn't sure where to start. It seemed like an awful lot of work. I feel like that when I'm tidying up. That's when he spotted the magic wand. It was just sitting there all alone. The lovely witch has left it for me to play with, he decided. He'd never used a wand before, but the lovely witch made it look very easy. She just gave it a swish and a flick and said what she wanted, and then zing-a-ling-a-ling, it just magically happened. If only Cat knew, actually, there's a lot of precision around magic. I know, said Cat. I'll use the wand to help me tidy up. But first, I'm going to have some fun. Cat gave the wand a swish and a flick and said the first word that came to his mind. Bananas! Zing-a-ling-a-ling, and a big heap of bananas appeared. Ha-ha! It worked, Cat said. Cat didn't really like bananas, so next he asked for his favourite sardines. Zing-a-ling-a-ling! Scrummy sardines began raining down from the ceiling. Plop, plop, plop. Yummy, he said, gulping them down. Dearie me, Cat's creating a lot more mess. Next, he fancied something sweet. Ice cream with sprinkles, he yelled. Zing-a-ling-a-ling! When Cat couldn't eat another mouthful, he decided to ask for some new toys. Zing-a-ling-a-ling! Yippee! Look at all that pile of new toys. No one needs that many toys. When he was bored of playing with the toys, Cat fancied trying on some new hats. Zing-a-ling-a-ling! But he couldn't decide which one he liked the best. Next, he wanted to run super fast. Zing-a-ling-a-ling! he whizzed around the house like a super cat, jumping on the furniture, climbing up the walls, and swinging from the lights as he went zoom, wee, crash, bang. Oh my goodness. Look at the mess he is making. As Cat returned to normal speed, he suddenly remembered. Oh no, I'm supposed to be tidying up, but now I've made even more mess. I wish everything could go back to how it was, he thought. Then he had a brilliant idea. I know. I will just go back in time. Zing-a-ling-a-ling. The mess started to tidy itself away. The hats disappeared, then the new toys, the ice creams with sprinkles, the sardines, and finally the bananas. Aha! It worked, he said. But Cat hadn't told the wand how far back in time he wanted to go. He watched in horror as yesterday, last week, and then last year zoomed by in a flash. Stop! He screamed. When it finally did stop, Cat found himself face to face with a gigantic dinosaur. Roar! Help! Yelled Cat. I wanted to go back to this morning, not the time of dinosaurs. Ah! So he quickly swished the wand and said, "Take us back to the right time." Dearie me. He landed back home. Thud, snap, ouch. Phew. That was close, he said, pleased that everything was back to normal. Ah, I'm very good at wand magic, after all. Oh no! Why is the dinosaur here? Cat groaned. The dinosaur was not too happy about it either. It was far too big for their little house and made a terrible mess. Uh-oh. Cat had no time to tidy up now because... Cat! What have you done? Why is there a dinosaur here? You were meant to be tidying up, not destroying the whole house. The lovely witch cried. Naughty Cat. Oh dear, I should have just put my things away to begin with, the witch's cat said, as he began the awfully long job of tidying up without a magic wand. The end. What a lovely book. Do remember to check the description, as we've got a link for the book if you would like to read along from home. From our spooky witch's lair to yours. Until next time.